Coverage you can count on. Channel 3 Eyewitness News, live at 5.
Thank you for joining us. I'm Cindy Sexton. Any moment now, we are expecting the daily update from the coronavirus task force at the White House. As soon as President Trump begins speaking, we will listen in. Today, the first death of coronavirus was confirmed today by Hamilton County health officials. They say the patient was over the age of 65 and had underlying medical issues. Now, they say another person also died in a local hospital from coronavirus complications, but say that person was not a Hamilton County resident and so not included in the official Hamilton County numbers. Now, this news comes after the Hamilton County Commission voted unanimously today to fund $1.5 million for Baylor School scientists to provide testing for COVID-19. They would be able to accommodate up to 300 tests daily with results available in just 4 hours. They say the testing can begin in just a matter of days. Channel 3's Joi Dukes joins us live right now with details on that, plus more on what we learned at today's news conference. Joi.
Well, Cindy, during that press conference, we also learned that the number of cases in Hamilton County has jumped to 26. That's 11 up from yesterday. And we, also kind of talked about the fact that testing has been an issue nationwide, as well as timely results. Well, this partnership between the Baylor School and Hamilton County will allow tests to come back 42 times faster.
As many of you know, throughout this country, one of the biggest problems we're having is getting testing.
Hamilton County leaders are now taking matters of COVID-19 testing into their own hands.
Resolution 320-39.
Approving the agreements as negotiated by the county mayor and the Baylor School for the conducting of tests to identify the coronavirus.
With a quorum of 5 county commissioners present, they voted unanimously Wednesday morning.
Commissioner Sharp?
Yes.
Commissioner Martin?
Yes.
Chairman Baker?
Yes.
Those yeses will grant researchers at the Baylor School $1.5 million to help quicken the process of receiving results for local cases.
We'll begin testing around 65 per day. We have a process, a protocol of how that's going to take place.
Mayor Jim Coppinger says the partnership with the Baylor School will eventually allow up to 300 tests to be administered per day. But for now, the initial tests are reserved for medical staff and hospital patients with symptoms.
And the public needs to know, on the front end, we have a lot of people in the hospitals that are seriously ill that need to be tested. We have emergency responders, we have doctors and nurses, other caregivers that need to be tested right away, and they will get priority.
It's unclear when testing will be available to the general public, but officials did make clear that not everyone needs to be tested, and if you believe you have symptoms, you should still call your doctor first. Now, county officials made it very clear they do not want people going to the Baylor School thinking they can get tested. That's not how that works. You're still asked to contact your doctor, and from there your doctor will decide whether you need to be tested, and the test will go to the Baylor School, and from there you will know the results, as we said earlier, within 4 hours. Now, officials say that they acknowledge that $1.5 million in taxpayer money sounds like a lot, and they did not make this decision lightly, but they did say that they are expecting that money to be reimbursed by the federal government. For now, live in Chattanooga, Joi Dukes, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Joi.